I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select Mailjet. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API key and secret key, click on Mailjet API token. Copy the primary API key. Paste it here. Now click on Generate Secret Key. Copy the correct key. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the lists. Now map the field. Here is an advanced feature available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Mailjet. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now navigate Mailjet page and select the list. Here is the data that came into Mailjet through the integration. Thanks for watching.